Hey everyone, our package arrived from Japan. Here it is right here. So we're gonna open it up and see what we bought. So we paid around $1,600 Canadian dollars for what's in here. Some new, some used. And that includes shipping. Shipping was like $550 plus duty and tax, but there's about $800 and something in parts, and the rest is shipping. So whatever, $1,600. Here's what it is in US dollars. I don't know, 1,200, probably 1,300. So yeah, let's see what we got. All right. First item in the mystery box. Let's see what this is. What do we have here? Oh.
Mug.
Gotta love it. I love Toyota. JDM. It's got all the cars on it. Altezzas and Celicas and Supras, and couldn't resist that. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, I don't know, probably could have got these in the United States or Canada, but they are the door pulls. One of mine had a little, it was like this plastic metal stuff was coming off, and it would cut your finger on the front passenger door. So, of course, I couldn't resist. I got all four. There's four in here, front and rears, and it was like 30 bucks Canadian for all four. Good to have. Okay, let's see what's next on the list. Aha, couldn't resist this. So this wasn't cheap, but I couldn't resist it. It's real leather, and it was hard to find something like this on this side of the ocean. Shift boots, leathers. Gonna match the car. I don't think it's too extreme, a little bit flashy, but I think it'll look good. Next, I don't even know what's in this box.
Stick.
Aha.
Guess I was right.
We have a Cusco sway bar. I believe this is the front, I think. Yeah, this is brand new, obviously in the packet. And yeah, it's gonna thicken up that sway bar, the sway bar a bit, and yeah, we'll see what kind of a difference it makes. Ooh, here we go. This is, he had to buy something. Open it up.
I have a Toyota Altezza.
He got an Altezza, toy Altezza. Let's take it out. This thing was like 35 bucks, plus a little bit on the shipping. Take it out. Yeah, look at the quality. Is it good?
Yep.
Pretty cool. All right, next. Next we have we got the other sway bar. So this is going to be, I got no clue. I've never done a sway bar. I thought the other one was the front. It looks kind of dinky, but either way, this one's pretty beefy. But I've never done a sway bar, so I'm clueless. So front and rear sway bars. Both from Cusco. Okay, lastly, we have a complete set of Tanabe Pro 210 Japanese made coilovers, used, as you can see. I think that's how you say Tanabe, and they are car specific. You know, we have a ripped dust cover, but they are a complete set, and they're about $1,500 new. I got them for $300 Canadian, plus all the shipping. So I'm pretty happy with this. So for the price of a new set of Tanabe shocks or coilovers, I got all this stuff. So pretty happy. We'll be fitting it on there for the next video. I do have my bumper cover that's being painted right now. But yeah, these look pretty cool. The guy said the seller said they were still in really good condition, no leaks. This one I think was the worst one maybe, but I saw in the picture it did have a ripped, yeah, it's pretty beat up, the dust cover in here. But that's for show.